me, baby. You got what I want and what I need, baby. Let me hear you say, please. Let me hear you say, please.
Hi Forever Dolls, welcome back to my channel. So today there is me and there is Faith. We are getting ready to go to IKEA so I can finish doing my beauty room and we can get lit. So join us in the store as we go to the store.
I wanna hold the camera.
Baby, you can't hold it. I'm gonna need you to hold it when instead of doing products and stuff.
Wait, are we gonna get a basket?
But you can't hold the camera and be in the basket.
No, I want to hold the camera.
Okay, you rather hold the camera? All right. Y'all, my outfit does not look really great today. Let me see.
But your hair does.
But my hair does. Thank you, girl. All right, y'all, let's get into this though. You guys, first of all, let me just tell y'all, I am so nervous, like when it comes to vlogging. Like this is my first time vlogging and it's like people are like looking at me and like wondering like what the hell is she doing. But you know, when y'all see the video on YouTube at Foureverredd, y'all will know what I'm doing. Okay. I'm thinking that's like off the radar. So once we get inside the store and I start looking for the things that I need to start looking for, I will come back on the camera. See you guys until then. All right, we're recording. Okay, you guys, so pretty much we have entered the IKEA store. We are now going to shop for what it is that we need, as well as look at some extra products and stuff like that so that we know what we're getting. She's not really in tune. She's ready to start going and looking at the products. She don't want to hear me talk. So we're gonna start moving on and go into the products.
Turn the camera.
Okay, so this would be like something that I would need. I don't know. It's maybe, I don't know, like for my room or something like that. Not my beauty room, but definitely my bedroom. Come on, baby. So now we're gonna go in the store. Yes, but you have to make sure you hold it still.
Okay.
And pay attention to what you're doing. Okay, so.
We lost mommy and...
You wanna go in the playroom or you wanna come with me?
The playroom.
Okay. So at this moment in time, we are gonna drop her off at the playroom because that's what she wants to do. She wants to go to the playroom. So we're gonna put her in the playroom. We'll be back. Okay, so pretty much I am trying to find me a decent looking chair. Now, I can't say that that's the easiest thing to do. Let's just say I have no interest in these chairs. Let's see them. So they have chairs like these. They have chairs like this pink one right here. I'm not really feeling it. I need a chair so that I can sit at my vanity. And none of these happens to be the one. So off from the chairs, and now I'm gonna go try to find my 2 wall lacks so that I can build my beauty room.
It's even better than the other one because it has in 2 containers, have enough warehousing space to store it.
Okay, so I am going to get my basket and then we're going to get shopping. People looking at me like, she weird. Okay, you guys, so I am back with my camera. I have my shopping cart and it's time to get shopping. Okay guys, so I have found my wall lacks. These are the lacks that I'm gonna get for my walls to go on side of my vanity desk. I'm so excited. And if I'm not mistaken, you guys, I'm probably gonna get a couple of one of these shelves so that I can hang. Excuse me. So I guess it's safe to say that I haven't been in IKEA for a very long time. I didn't know that you were supposed to take a picture of the products that you want and then go downstairs and get the product. So that's what I'm doing, guys. Once I have the products in the cart, I will be back for you guys. See you later. Okay, so pretty much I am on aisle 67, finding my lock. It is, let's see. No, we don't want black, we want white. We got 602, 821, 86. Oh. Okay, hang there. So, I'm gonna get the lag, you guys. Yeah, you can get the other one. Thank you. Oh. Babe, can I do things on my own? Thank you. Really would appreciate if you just let. Okay, so that makes one lac that I got. I need to get 2 more. And let's see. And let's see. Okay, so 2 lacs. What are you doing? Wait a minute, are those the $59.91 ones? Yeah. Okay, so I have the lacs. I need to get, the lighting is bad, y'all. Y'all gonna have to excuse me. Okay, so now I am going to need another lac. I'm gonna get it from Lowe's, y'all. I'm not gonna get it from here. I'm gonna get it from Lowe's. That's gonna be the IKEA trip. We're gonna call that one a day. See you guys later.
My mom over there pretty much doing absolutely nothing. But given that is it gonna fit in your car? Is it gonna fit in my car? It's gonna have to fit. Yeah, we got another car to take. Okay, headed to the checkout area.
Okay, you guys, so right now I am standing in line and my anxiety is just shooting through the roof, you guys. Whoever knew that an IKEA trip would be so darn hard. But I did get my 2 lacs and I got a mirror. I'm so excited about it. I got a mirror. Like, I got a mirror. So yes, the next store that we're gonna go to, you guys, I need to go to Michael's and I need to go to Lowe's. But I have another appointment in between there, so you guys are gonna have to like give me some time, okay? Okay. So, welcome back, you guys. This pretty much concludes the haul. I was able to get my 2 lacs and I also did get my mirror. And the person down here who went to the playpen, who was no help at all, wants to hold the camera again. You drop my camera, I'm gonna drop your life.
No.
So, that's pretty much it, you guys. We are headed up out the store and we are going. Okay, thank you.
I want to close it.
Thank you. All right, so I have no idea where my mom went, but what we're gonna do is go get in the car. So I have made it to Michael's and I am still annoyed, like very. But I am finding my shelves so that I can get what I need and get out of here, because this day has just been a disaster.